I'll be taking you through a few steps to ensure that your child is protected safely while using their iPad at home and at school. The Department of Education filters the Wi-Fi and has a few layers of security. However, this is not watertight, but I have discovered a way that you can add another layer of security to your child's iPad to ensure that what they see online at all times is filtered and appropriate. I have done thorough tests to ensure that your child, by adding these features, will be protected. Today we'll be looking at two different apps, the Settings and Safari. If you can please open Settings and follow along with me, or you can look back later and pause and make the changes to your child's iPad as needed. Today we'll be looking at General, and then we're going to be looking at Restrictions. Some of you may or may not have already enabled restrictions. If you haven't, now is the time to do so. If you have, you might want to check that yours matches mine. Choose a passcode your child would not know and could not figure out. This is an area you do not want them to have access to. We're going to start by turning off FaceTime and Siri. These are not necessary for education purposes. We're going to then move down to the allowed content part. We're going to be looking at ratings for music, movies, TV shows, books, apps and Siri. Set your ratings for Australia. Turn off explicit for music. Allow PG movies for this and for the TV shows. In the books section, turn off the explicit toggle. In the apps section, please allow all apps, as the apps on your child's iPad for educational purposes have already been vetted. In Siri, turn off explicit language and web search content. The websites area is where we can really lock down and filter more closely. Click on Limit Adult Content. This will limit access to many adult websites automatically. It will also affect how your child uses Safari. Scroll down to the Game Centre and turn off multiplayer games and adding friends, but please leave screen recording as this is a great educational tool. We are now going to pop into Safari, and I would like to show you that at the bottom part of the browser here, you will see that students are not able to clear their search history. These are the websites I have searched, but it logs websites that students access over a period of months. If this is turned off through the Limit Adult Content tick area, you are able to then monitor what they see and what they've accessed over a period of time. Frequent checks of this space are advised, as it allows clear visibility of what your students have accessed at home and at school. Teachers will also be doing frequent checks of what students have searched. Guided internet searches will only be occurring through the Kiddle browser, which is a web-safe browser for students. At no time will students be allowed to do open Google searches of any images. This section allows you to have extra confidence that your child has done the right thing online at school and at home. If you have any more questions about adding security to your child's iPad, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.